And ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the next technical session. Our next speaker will deliberate upon new pre-treatment nanotechnologies, including multi-metal. This is presentation by Astra Coatings. I would request Mr. Anurag Kanodia to please join me up the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. Mr. Anurag Kanodia.
Hello, welcome everyone. I'm Anurag Kanodia. I'm the Director Technical of Astra Coatings Limited. We are in pre-treatment chemical business for 26 years now. And we are currently supplying to all big corporates and medium corporates. Currently, we are not dealing with the job coating market, but now we are opening all new channels from today. And everyone is welcome to join us as distributor, dealers, partners. And our stall is right on the entry. So after my presentation, you're most welcome to join all of us along with my team to be a part of Astra Coatings Limited. I think there is some small glitch with the presentation, so give me some time to carry on. We are in place now. So I'm going to introduce new pretreatment nanotechnologies for aluminum and multi-metal application. We are presenting our papers on new technologies and the existing ones also. So you can click. Okay, welcome to Astra Coatings Limited. I'm going to show you new pretreatment technologies which are in use in India for many years, but mostly by corporates and big companies. So we'll go to the next slide. We are already getting delayed. Okay, I will cover many topics like our company, services, competition, why pretreatment, we do pretreatment, what is pretreatment, importance of quality pretreatment, and advantages of pretreatment, the entire pretreatment process, introduction of our products and our partner products from Bulk Chemicals, US and Japan. Then the nanotechnology which we are introducing is known as Zircasil, which is a patented technology for multi-metal applications. You can do almost 3-4 metals in that in one time, in one line. And then there's Eclipse, known as Astra Crosslink Polymer System. It's a nanotechnology and chrome-free. This is pitched against the chrome chemicals we are using on extrusions and aluminum parts. Then we have Triclips, special technology which is Qualicoat approved for the extrusions which are used on the buildings. So we are a 26-year-old company, ISO certified, and as I said, we have partners from US and Japan. So I think we can go to the next slide because we are already late. So pretreatment is something which is very, very important, needs to be done before powder coating or painting. If you apply any powder or any paint on the rusty metal substrate, it will show instant failures. So pretreatment process makes it the suitable for applying another paint or oiling or waxing or powder coating. Well, importance of quality pretreatment is the most important thing because if we do not do a quality pretreatment, your parts are going to fail in short term or long term. So there is some science here which I think everybody knows. So advantages of pretreatment, we protect the substrate from corrosion to provide better adhesion between the paint and the metal and to provide good finishes also. So pretreatment processes like nowadays, if we see a spray line, it is mostly hot water 1, hot water 2, first degreasing, second degreasing, then there are 2 water rinses after that, then there's surface activation, then phosphating, then there are 2 rinse, and then there is dry off. This is the normal pretreatment process going on these days. So Astra is supplying world-class ferrous and non-ferrous pretreatment chemicals to enhance the paint shops of Indian automotive industry, which contains engineering, electrical, industrial, white goods and other industries. So the products which are really good are being used by world-class companies and are approved by Honda two-wheelers, JCB, Maruti Suzuki, Sudhir Power, Talbros, Knorr-Bremse. They are all leaders in their own businesses. So I will come to my partner product now, which is Bulk Chemicals INC. They are the world leaders in nanotechnology and chrome-free. They launched chrome-free in 1984. So now Bulk Chemical is almost a 50-year-old company based in US and Japan and Mexico also. So they have many distributors worldwide. We are one of them in India. We are the exclusive distributor for like 16, 17 years now. So Bulk Chemical business is developing, manufacturing, marketing and servicing environment compliant specialty pretreatment processes. Their focus is to become the leader in the pretreatment innovation. Bulk Chemicals was founded in 1974, employee-owned ESOP company, corporate headquarters in Reading, Pennsylvania, US, offices in Japan and Mexico, as I said earlier also. So these are the trademarks owned by Bulk Chemicals: Zircasil, Eclipse and Triclipse. All three are very high quality technologies and latest. Zircasil has 1 patent on it. Eclipse has 6 patents on this technology, because this contains a family of chemicals with a different series and different applications for extrusion, for alloy wheels and electronic and electrical applications. So I'm going to tell you about Zircasil. Zircasil is a phosphate-free chemistry. It's a chrome-free, ammonia-free, and then there is no sludge produced. This is a single product which is used in the making of the bath, and it runs for almost a year. No need to change the bath for a year. And it's a very faster process time, from less than 60 seconds to maximum 90 seconds. So low water usage, we need very low DM water as against the other technologies available in the market, whether in India or worldwide. Safe for all metals, as I said earlier, and it can be used as pre-treatment for CED painting also. So industries which are using currently are automotive, alloy wheel, white goods, coil coating and general metals. So this is the technology which is, Eclipse is the technology which is covering 6 patents. So I'll go to the next slide. So this is Eclipse, again chrome-free technology. It's a nano pretreatment that can replace conventional pretreatments such as chrome. So chrome is something which is connected with cancer now. So I think we should all forget about chrome, because a lot of tech people are still promoting chrome, but not realizing that their next generations are also going to come here and live for another 100, more than 100 years, I would say, because I cannot say less than that. That's not correct. So these are all very good technologies, again giving similar or better results than chrome. No rinse, dry in place. I will explain you what is no rinse, dry in place is. If you are doing degreasing, then washing, then doing Eclipse on the part, no need to wash it. Just dry the part. Thereby you are saving time and money both in terms of, and you're not creating any effluent or less effluent. Then you can dry the part and just paint or powder whatever is required. This technology is approved by many big companies. So it's a no EPA listed or restricted heavy metal product, which is now the new thing coming up, like PFAS also. So this can be used in spray, immersion, flow coat, reverse or direct coater applications. And it meets most of the AMA specs. AMA is American Association. So it's approved, and it's being used widely in Europe, in Japan, in Korea, China, Southeast Asia, India. In India, Honda Motorcycle second plant is using for over 12 years now this particular technology on TSA painting and also on HR painting. So this is Triclipse. This is one system. It's based on trichrome coatings, but this is meant and approved for the extrusions mainly, which are done for the buildings like doors, windows, or the outer claddings. So this is Qualicoat certified and approved. Again, this is also a dry in place or a rinse off coating. It depends on the application. And it will give you along with the powder 10-year, 20-year, 30-year life. Okay, this is the traditional process which we have been doing: clean, rinse, coat, which is hot, again rinse, again rinse. So, you know, we are going to remove this to the another slide. Now, what we are offering you is new technology, which is dry in place, or you can rinse it also, works on room temperature. Eclipse and Zircasil both are on room temperature. They work on room temperature like 15 degrees onwards. So this is a very helpful technology, and for the generations to come, because this does not create much of effluent. It's almost removing 60% of water requirements also from the line. So industries served are agriculture vehicles, architectural profiles, automotive parts, coil coating, electronic components, fabricated metals, wire drawing, alloy wheels, and so on. So these are some of the proofs, companies. You know all of them, I hope, because they're all big names like Honda, Case New Holland, Yamaha, YKK. They are being used in different locations worldwide. So this is like a one list which we try to prepare, like an international list. So again, industry quality approvals. As I said, Eclipse is approved by Qualicoat, AMA, GSB, and Austrian Lacquer Institute also. So what we are offering you is an international product at local prices, Indian prices, because we are licensee and exclusive distributors. So again, our partner Bulk Chemical is member of many associations in USA. As I said, AMA, American Architectural Manufacturer Association, and many other. So it's a very reliable product and company, what we are offering you. Every 8 cents out of $1 is going to R&D. So far, in last 10 years, it's been 22 patents we have been able to gather. And we can use all these technologies in India. So our confidence and performance is that, we have established products, and we have been using in India this Eclipse for over 17 years now. And prior to Honda, there is another customer which was making till COVID, they were making these mobile antennas, and they had a major requirement for the Eclipse, because they needed a bare corrosion for 20 years, bare corrosion resistance. They used to use 5000 series and 6000 series aluminum. So it's a very, very cost competitive technology in terms of chrome, if we see. So we can offer you all these technologies, and they are all green. It's all these technologies, many of them are approved by Ericsson, Yamaha, John Deere, Case New Holland, and all that. And we also have a technology known as BDAX. BDAX is the data acquisition technology, where you can collect all your data online, and it can reach your mobile, and you can run the line from your mobile also. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Anurag Kanodia, for your wonderful technical presentation. I'd request you to please join me in the center. I'd request Mr. Kranti Chawla, CJ Shah and company to please join me on the stage to felicitate Mr. Anurag Kanodia. We'd like to felicitate you with a bouquet of flowers as a token of our love and appreciation. And ladies and gentlemen, he very rightly touched upon the product Triclip. So please join us up the stage. He gave us insights on the product Triclips, and if you have any questions, any more queries related and around these products and many more, so please visit the Astra Coating stalls. Sir, we'd request you to please go into the center. And ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, Mr. Anurag Kanodia, for your wonderful presentation. Thank you so much, gentlemen. I'd request you to be seated. And if you have more questions, more queries, do not forget to visit their stall.